Samsung Galaxy Note 20 has some beautiful colors. So what's up guys, and welcome back to our another video about the Galaxy Note 20. Since the Galaxy Note 20 is likely to be launched in the month of August, we are getting enough information about its specs and design. And recently we got some leaks about its colors. So in this video we're gonna talk about some of the latest updates about the Galaxy Note 20. So without wasting time, let's hop into the video. As said by Sam Mobile aka Galaxy Club, the standard Galaxy Note 20 will be available in grey, copper and green colorways, while the Galaxy Note 20 Plus is rumored to arrive in black and copper or gold color option. According to Galaxy Club, the copper or gold colorway is reminiscent of the Galaxy Note 9's metallic copper color option. We all know that everybody loved the Aura Glow color option in Galaxy Note 10, but surprisingly the Galaxy Note 20 series will not offer Aura Glow color, which is quite disappointing. Except the color options, we also got some information about its chipset. According to ZDNet Korea, Samsung has completed the development of 5nm Exynos chipsets and the mass production will start from August. This 5nm chipset is going to be named as Exynos 992, and it seems like Samsung is going for a huge upgrade in terms of its chipset. Since the Exynos 990 disappointed many consumers through the S20 series, we are expecting a high performance from Exynos 992. The Exynos 992 will be Samsung's first mobile chipset to be built using a 5nm EUV process, and we also heard a rumor that the Exynos 992 will use the all-new ARM Cortex A78 CPU and Mali G78 GPU designs. The Cortex A78 CPU is claimed to offer 20% higher performance compared to previous generation Cortex A77, which is used in the Samsung 865 chipset. Not only that, the 5nm chipset is 50% more efficient than the 7nm chipset, which is very impressive. But as said by ZDNet Korea, the Samsung Semiconductor division is waiting for Samsung's smartphone division's decision to whether use it in the Note 20 family or not. So if the Samsung's smartphone divisions allow the Samsung Semiconductor to use 5nm chipset on Note 20, then only it is going to happen. So we are not 100% sure about the 5nm chipset being used in Note 20 family. Besides the chipset and color option, the battery of Galaxy Note 20 series is now confirmed. The regular Note 20 will be powered by 4300 mAh battery, while the Note 20 Plus will have 4500 mAh. Since the Note 20 has 6.7-inch display, which is pretty similar to 6.9-inch Note 20 Plus display size, there will be minor difference in battery life. So that's all information we got today. Comment down what do you think about the Note 20 series, and if you enjoyed the video, make sure you subscribe to our channel for latest tech updates.